Go, go, go. Get the egg, Michael. Get the egg, Dyann. Oh, good. Go, get eggs. Get eggs. Oh, get eggs. Get eggs. Can you get eggs? Good job. Oh, get the eggs. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Good job, Dyann. Oh, get some more. More. More eggs. Hi. Put it inside the basket. Michael, put it inside the basket. Oh, get in the basket. Oh, go, 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 go. Get some more eggs. Wow, Michael and Dyann. More eggs. Eggs, that's right. More eggs. Get some more eggs. More eggs, Dyann. And Michael, get the purple and brown. That's right. I'll get some more. Oh, later, you're gonna open later. You need to get some more eggs. He's so excited to open. Candy. Not yet. You need to get some more. Dyann, get some more eggs. Oh, you don't drop your eggs. Don't drop your eggs, anak. Oh, get some more eggs. Over there, over there. Let's go over there. Wow, eggs. Wow. Oh my goodness, you open it already. Oh, get some more eggs for Dyann. Wow. Oh, get the carrots. There's a carrots over there. Oh, look at that, Dyann. Oh my goodness. Oh, get some more eggs. Get some more carrots. That's carrots. Put it inside the box, inside the basket. Oh, there's more over there. Good job. Wow. Wow, more eggs. There's more. Color green. Michael. Michael, come back here. Yeah, there's more over here. Come here. You open it already, Michael? Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Wow. Yum. Wait, get the egg. Dyann. Oh my goodness. Oh, get the egg. Put it inside the basket. Inside the basket. Get the egg. Wait, get the egg. Dyann, get the egg over there. Good job. And then there's more. E is for eggs. Michael, get some more eggs. Oh my goodness. Excited naman to. Ino-open na niya. Oh, come here. Get some more eggs. Busy sa kakakain na, oh. Oh, get some more. Dyann, don't drop it, anak. Oh, more eggs. Oh, let's go. Get some more. There's one. Dyann, get. Wow. Get some more eggs, Dyann. Michael, get some more eggs. Oh, put it inside the basket. Good job. Oh, there's more. Let's go. Get some more. Get the eggs. Good job. More. Oh, don't open it yet. Not yet. Oh, let's go. Get some more. More eggs. Good job. More eggs. Yeah, it is. Bunnies. Dyann, get some more eggs. It's purple. Oh, get some more. That's right. Oh, there's a big one. Wow, big egg. Wow. Hey, Michael, put the egg in the basket. And then there's more over there. Dyann. Wow, more. Wow. It's a lot, huh? Yeah, there's a lot of eggs in here. Get some more. My goodness, Michael, you open it already. Get the egg, Dyann, purple egg. Get the egg, Dyann. Purple. Wait. Get the purple. Oh, you open it, Michael. Oh, there's more egg. Come here.
Ooh, open.
Dyann, get some more eggs. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, get up, get up, get up, get some more. Wow, wow, more eggs, Mike. He opened it already. He don't wanna get some more eggs. He just wanna open everything in there.
Every year I'm like, we should have as much, and then when we get to like have them like,
Yeah. He wanted to open everything.
yeah.
Oh, get some more eggs, Michael.
Tomorrow they'll be here.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to get some more. Oh, let's go, open some more. Dyann, come back here.
Oh no.
Oh, there's more eggs. Look. Look. Oh, there's a carrot. I see a carrots too. Here, there's a carrots. Carrots. That's right. Michael, Dyann, come here. There's more. More eggs. Yeah, that's right. Wow, that's camouflage egg. Oh, put it inside the basket. Put it inside the basket. Good job. Oh, good. Yeah, that's purple.
That's a yellow.
That's yellow. You got yellow egg. Oh, there's more anak. Woo! I got it. Woo! Shoot. There's more, Dyann. Dyann, more. Michael, got more eggs, Michael. Wow, Michael, there's more eggs. Wow. Dyann, look. Woo! Whoa! Oh my goodness, you open it.
Open. Open. Open.
Open blue.
Open. Blue.
Oh, get some more eggs, huh? Oh, go get some more eggs. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Get some more eggs, Dyann, Michael. More eggs. Wow. Get some more eggs. Good job, Dyann. Dyann, this one. Whoa! Oh, I dropped it. Dyann, there's more. Dyann, look. Dyann. More eggs. Wow, yellow. Whoa, oh my goodness. Put the egg inside the basket. Good job. Hi.
That's like ours. We always use them too. I said I had. That's what I was telling him. She remembered we had all the different colors.
Put it inside the basket. Michael, I got here. Look. Bah! Put it inside the basket. Oh my goodness. Put it inside the basket, Michael. Dyann. My goodness. They're green. Wow, green. Good job. Put it inside the basket. Very good. Oh, there's more over there. Green. Good job. There's more over here. This is color green. That's right. And there is pink over there. Pink. And then there's a blue, brown over there. Dyann, over there. That's a football. That's right.
This and an egg.
Egg, and then there's a pink egg. Good job.
It's the egg.
And then there's orange egg. Egg, and then purple egg. That's right. And there's pink one. Egg. Whoa. A chocolate. Oh, can you open some more? Open some more. That's pink. That's right. Oh, wow. Wow, open. Wow, got a ball. And then open some more eggs. You can't open it. It's hard to open. Open the eggs. Open. Can you open it? Open the egg.
You missed. Look at this cute one. Oh, my favorite.
Look, Michael, I got some more ball. Cute, huh?
That yours? Right here. That's yours? That's a heck of a haul. Oh, not your truck. Is this yours?
I see one more popper.
Wow, there's more ball. Look, Michael, there's more ball. Wow.